This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Cryptos, a new asset class. Cryptocurrency is no doubt at the top of everyone's mind, given the media buzz that has surrounded it in recent times. On October 19th, cryptocurrency hit the New York Stock Exchange with the introduction of a new Bitcoin-linked exchange-traded fund. If we look at the history of asset classes, there is hardly any new asset class created during the last 1 century. The introduction of ETF based on Bitcoin in NYSE has added a new asset class, Cryptos India Stand. The Indian government is looking to ban cryptocurrencies, but experts are suggesting to regulate them as assets instead of banning them. The investment dilemma. Since the start of 2015, the Bitcoin price in USD has moved up from USD 315 to USD $50,480 as of December 8, 2021. An eye-popping return of 160 times in Bitcoin in a span of 7 years. In comparison, Nifty has just doubled itself in these 7 years. The big investment dilemma is whether to invest in cryptocurrencies at such high price. Is Bitcoin the best crypto? Bitcoin is highly volatile. Most of the rise in Bitcoin has been since April 2020. Between December 2017 and December 2018, Bitcoin slipped by more than 80%. More recently, between April 2021 and July 2021, Bitcoin price dropped by 53%. However, it again recovered, but it is still down by 25% from its recent peak. Different cryptocurrencies, different cryptocurrency names and symbols. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Cardano, Stellar, NEO, EOS, Wechang, IOTA. Conclusion. Looking at the price, volatility of cryptocurrencies and the regularity risks, we believe it would be prudent on the part of investors to simply avoid it. Share, give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel